In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive not syncing. We all rely on OneDrive for seamless file synchronization and access across our devices, so when it stops syncing it can be quite frustrating. Stick with me as I walk you through a few simple steps to resolve this issue. First, let's start by navigating to the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. It looks like a little cloud at the bottom right of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, look for the Settings option. This is your control center for all things OneDrive, where you'll find most of the tools you need to handle syncing issues. Next, you might want to click on Pause Syncing. If there's been a recent interruption, pausing and then resuming syncing can often kickstart the process, helping OneDrive to reset itself and catch up. Following that, I recommend selecting Quit OneDrive. This is like giving your app a quick nap to refresh it. Now let's move over to File Explorer. Once there, you should see OneDrive listed among your file directories on the left. Select it and then look for the option to start OneDrive. Clicking this option essentially restarts the app, a bit like rebooting your computer and giving your syncing process a fresh start. If those steps haven't solved the issue, another effective method could be a quick Windows update followed by a system restart. Sometimes the underlying issue might be your system itself rather than the OneDrive app. Running the latest software can eliminate compatibility issues and enhance system performance, which could influence syncing. Alternatively, you can once again open OneDrive from the taskbar. This time, after navigating to Settings, head over to the Account tab. Here, you'll want to unlink OneDrive from your PC. Don't worry, this step merely disconnects and reconnects your account without affecting your cloud-stored files. Once unlinked, you'll sign in again with your credentials. This re-establishment of your connection can resolve persistent syncing problems. Remember, tackling tech issues often requires a bit of patience, so don't worry if the solution isn't immediate. Following these steps should help you fix OneDrive not syncing, bringing you back to the smooth, seamless file access you rely on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your digital life a bit easier. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.